Ishwar Charitable Trust was formed in 1982 when I lost my mother, and it is named after her. She left a small policy amount which helped me to do charity later on in life. It was created with a vision and with the dream to be able to give sight to the millions of people who are blind in this country.
When he first started iCare, I was very honored to contribute for their first surgical center, which Dr. Chaudhary very kindly named after my mother, Dr. Prabha Malhotra.
This hospital has progressed considerably during the last 25 years, and the facilities which are offered in the hospital today have become very modern and are comparable to the best available anywhere in this region.
iCare prides itself at providing the best possible care for all their patients, whether they come from the rural areas or from the urban areas. And over a period of time, they have built the reputation of being probably the best in this area.
As Dr. Sushil Chaudhary was getting onto his charity work, there were a lot of patients who started coming into the hospital because there was no such facility available anywhere around.
After getting my LASIK done, at least I can get rid of my specs. Here in iCare, I mean, it's been an amazing experience for me. During the LASIK surgery, I could barely, feel any pain or anything. It was just so seamless. And once it was done, I couldn't even believe that, okay, it's already done, and I can see it from my naked eyes.
Some of the latest equipment which might not be available in most centers is available at our hospital, including the Heidelberg ICG, the femtocataract, the femto lasers, besides the electrophysiology equipment and the latest LipiFlow and LipiView technology.
I'm a glaucoma specialist working at iCare since the last 17 years. Glaucoma is the second most common cause of blindness globally. The whole floor is dedicated to glaucoma. We have 5 full-time consultants trained in treating and managing glaucoma patients, and we also have all the infrastructure available for us to treat these patients appropriately. We've always tried to give our best to all patients, irrespective of the fact as to who they are or where they come from.
Today, we stand proudly with several full-time retina consultants, almost all the possible retinal cutting-edge equipment, and we can handle advanced retinal diseases, complex surgeries, which range from diabetic retinopathy, retinal detachment, even retinal diseases of premature babies, to age-related degenerations, complex traumas, inflammations.
The pediatric department at iCare, along with other departments, treats eye disorders in children ranging from pediatric cataracts, squint, lid disorders, corneal disorders, retinal disorders, many other disease conditions, and also, of course, lazy eye.
I've been associated with iCare since 1998. These 20 years have seen evolution of cataract surgery worldwide. I take pride in the fact that we at iCare have kept abreast with the technological developments, and we can boast modular OTs, digital guided cataract systems, and robotic cataract in the form of Catalyst, which is the best in the world.
iCare Eye Hospital has a postgraduate training program which trains post-MBBS doctors in a 3-year rigorous training course as ophthalmologists, and also post-diploma ophthalmologists into degree holders.
Since the establishment of the iCare Hospital, it has been rendering services to the peripheral areas of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Delhi. It has more than 30 pickup centers from which every day the patients are being brought to the hospital, and not only cataract surgeries but all the specialty surgeries which include the cornea, the oculoplasty, the glaucoma and retina surgeries are being done.
And needless to say, to go with the motto of eye care, our facilities, and I mean all of them, are available to all people from all sections of society, the rich and poor, many of who pay and a lot who do not pay. The dictum is that nobody is turned away.
Cornea department also has a well-equipped, fully fledged eye bank which is accredited with the Eye Bank Association of India and also with the Ministry of Health in central government and the UP state government.
All of this has become possible because of the commitment and dedication of Dr. Chaudhary, Dr. and Mrs. Chaudhary and the entire team which has been working in this hospital.
Whenever I come over here, I find lots of people, the staff, very smiling, very welcoming. It's a very, very pleasant and satisfying experience to be here in this hospital.
I have seen eye care hospitals ever since the beginning to grow from strength to strength. And the most important thing that I've noticed here is that the team here is professional. I think equal to any other place anywhere in India, perhaps even the world.
I am happy and honored to introduce eye care to corporate customers, where not only do they help give us funding for some of our expansion, but also their employees come and use these services that we provide at eye care. I think the model that eye care has is a scalable model, and we're looking forward to scaling this in the future.
From the very start, we've been trying to keep ourselves updated with the latest technology which is available, and we aim to do so in future as well.
Eye Care has a vision to be best in India, to have as a hub which is wanted by everybody. We want to bring in stem cell research and other advanced technologies into this hospital so that it gets recognized not only in India but internationally as a hospital of excellence. Thank you, all of you. Without you, this hospital couldn't have come into existence. In fact, it is your hospital, and thank you very much, all of you.